Hi guys and welcome back to the channel, and first things first, I am being regular nowadays, so kudos to me. So keeping this aside, today we have a debit card from FamPay. I have been using the app for a while now, and today the card has arrived and I will be unboxing it and start using it. So first of all, what is FamPay and how does it work? FamPay is an app just like Paytm or PhonePay, but this is made for teenagers. And yes, this is an Indian app and I'm proud about it. This app is founded by two IIT Roorkee graduates. So this was a quick introduction about the company. Now let's go and start the unboxing. The box really looks good, as this is for teenagers. They have to make sure about this. Have to agree. The unboxing experience is really good. You can call this a quick start guide or so in the smartphone language. Oh, there already is a scratch on the card, but that's okay for me. You cannot deny the fact that the card looks pretty good. But let me tell you that it's only on camera. In hand, it does feel a bit of cheap quality, which I will talk in a moment. So now it's time for me to tell about my experience with the app and the card. It's been a week I have been using the card, and I really love the idea of the whole thing. I love how they are trying to give financial access to the teenagers. The app's interface and the card's design is quite satisfying, but there are two problems. We don't get rewards on referrals as they say on the website and in the app. After my friend used my referral code, I did get notification about it but was unable to claim it. When I contacted the FamPay team, there was no response from their side and they just ignored this matter. But whereas if I ask about any other queries, then I would get reply. But I won't blame FamPay for this. After all, they are also here to make profit, right? But I did feel wrong that they are telling everyone that they will give money on rewards. The second problem is that the card is not of good material and will get scratches only after 5 to 10 times of swiping. So this was something which needed to be known. And they do give 101 rupees on joining and getting done the full KYC of your and any one of your parents. So if any one of the FamPay team are watching my video right now, I do have a suggestion for them. There is a feature called FamPool where we can add our family members and have a common account where we add money and every member of the family can use it. So I do wish to get a similar feature where we can add our friends, so that if there is any project where all the students have contributed money and each student need to buy materials, then they can add money to the fam pool and use it, making things easy and seamless. And do note that you won't be able to use this to withdraw cash at the ATM with this card. And to add money to your wallet, you need to request your parents in the app, or they can add without your request also, but you cannot add money. Only your parents have access to add money to your account. So these were my thoughts on FamPay. I hope you like this. If you did, then make sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to share this with your teenager friends, and do leave your thoughts in the comment section. And lastly, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so that you will be alerted every time I make a new upload. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.